Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, grass green color, pink color, violet color, parrot green color, orange color, brown color, sky blue color, navy blue color and pink color. Today we will learn the phonics sounds. A. Letter A makes the sound A, ant. Letter B makes the sound B, bat. Letter C makes the sound K, car. Letter D makes the sound D, dog. Say with me guys. Letter E makes the sound egg. Repeat after me. Letter F makes the sound. Letter F makes the sound fan. Letter G makes the sound gun. Letter H makes the sound horse. Letter I makes the sound igloo. Letter J makes the sound jug. Letter K makes the sound kite. Letter L makes the sound lamp. Letter M makes the sound monkey. Letter N makes the sound nest. Letter O makes the sound orange. Letter P makes the sound parrot. Okay guys, before going to Q, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Let's start with the Q. Letter Q makes the sound quail. Letter R makes the sound rose. Letter S makes the sound sun. Letter T makes the sound top. Letter U makes the sound umbrella. Letter V makes the sound van. Letter W makes the sound watermelon. Watermelon. Letter X makes the sound Xerox. Letter Y makes the sound yak. Letter Z makes the sound zoo. Very good guys, now you know the sound of all the alphabets. So let's revise once again. A, B, K, D, E, G, Very good kids. Now like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.